Hello, you are welcome. We have to solve this interesting exponential maths question without using any calculator. So solution. First of all, we have to simplify these powers. So here, we know that 3 to the power of 2. This is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Here 2 to the power of 4. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is equal to 16. Now we have to replace this by 9 and 16. So here 4 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9 minus 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So here 3 to the power of 16. Now in the next step, this 4 can also be written as 2 square to the power of this 9 minus 3 to the power of 16. This is equal to, this is in the form of a to the power of m to the whole power of n. This is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this will become 2 to the power of 2 times 9. 2 times 9 minus 3 to the power of 16. 2 to the power of 9 times 2 is equal to 18 minus 3 to the power of 16. Now in the next step, we know that 2 to the power of this 18 can be written as 8 times 8 plus 10 minus 3 to the power of this 16 can be written as 8 plus 8. Now we know that a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So to apply this condition, this will become 2 to the power of 8 plus 2 times 2 to the power of 10 minus 3 to the power of 8 times 3 to the power of 8. Now we have to find the value of 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 10 and 3 to the power of 8. So here we know that 2 to the power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 8 is equal to 256. 2 to the power of 10, this is equal to 1024, and 3 to the power of 8, this is equal to 6561. Now we have to replace this 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 10 and 3 to the power of 8 by these values. So here we know that 2 to the power of 8 and this is equal to 256. So 256 implies 2 to the power of 8 is equal to 256 times 2 to the power of 10, this is equal to 1024. So 1024 minus 3 to the power of 8, so this is equal to 6561. So 6561 times 3 to the power of 8, again 6561. Now in the next step, we have to multiply these two numbers and these two numbers and then minus from each other. So first of all, we have to multiply 256 with 1024. So we have to multiply 1024 with 256. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 2 carried. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 13, 14. 1 carried. 6 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And 6 times 1 is equal to 6. Now 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 2 carried. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 1 carried. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And 5 multiply 1 is equal to 5. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to add this number. Here 4. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 1 carried. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 1 carried. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and 2. So this is equal to 262,144. So this is equal to 62144 minus. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 6561 times 6561. So we have to multiply these two numbers. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. And 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Now 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 3 carried. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. Again 3 carried. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. Now 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 3 carried. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 25 plus 3 is equal to 26, 27 and 29. So 29, 2 carried. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Sorry, here 5 times 5 is equal to 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. So here this is 28, not 29. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 plus 3 is equal to 28. Now in the next step, here 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 3 carried. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. 3 carried. 6 times 6 is equal to 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. Now we have to add these numbers. So here 1, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 1 carried. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. 1 carried. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. 1 carried. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. 2 carried. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 carried. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 1 carried. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this is 43,046,721. So we have to write these values. So this time this is equal to 43,046,721. Now we have to minus this number from this number. So we know that this number is smaller and this number is larger. So we do that, we have to subtract this number from this greater number, because this number is greater and this is smaller. So we have to subtract this from this number, and at last we have to add negative sign to the answer, because this side is greater than this side. So we subtract this number from this, and at the last we assign negative sign to the answer. So we write the greater number first. So this is 43,046,721 minus 262,144. So here 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4, this is equal to 7. Here 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, 8, 9. So here 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and this here 2 and 4. So this is 42,784,000, 42,784,577, and we have to assign negative sign. So this is the final answer of this question. So the answer of this question is minus 42,784,577. This is the answer of this question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.